Hello students, today we verify the effect of temperature on a resistance. For this experiment, this is the circuit diagram where 100 volt DC supply is given. From the positive terminal of the DC supply, it is connected to the positive terminal of ammeter. Then negative terminal of ammeter, it is connected to the positive terminal of the choke, and negative terminal of the choke, it is given to the negative terminal of the supply. For this experiment, firstly we check the resistance of the choke at room temperature with the help of the multimeter. After checking the resistance of the choke with the help of multimeter, it is a 61.5. At now room temperature is 30 degree centigrade. Observation table for this experiment, it is a applied voltage, current flowing through the choke coil, voltage across the choke coil. With this reading, you find out the resistance of the choke, temperature with the help of thermometer. Here we measure. So at first equation, here it is a first equation, here we get R30, resistance at 30 degree centigrade, is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha 0 30. After measuring the voltage and current, we get the resistance value. Here we write equation RT is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha 0 T. After the measuring the value of voltage and current, you calculate the value of the resistance at temperature, which is the measured by the thermometer. So you will get two equations, and after solving this equation you get the value of alpha 0. So see, this is the circuit diagram. As per the circuit diagram, here it is connected from the negative terminal of the positive terminal of the supply, it is given to the positive terminal of the ammeter. Then negative terminal of the ammeter, it is given to the positive terminal of the choke, and negative terminal of the choke, it is given to the negative terminal of the supply. With the help of multimeter, firstly at room temperature, here we measure the value of the resistance of the choke, which is a 61.5, and room temperature, here it is a 30 degree centigrade. After switching on the supply, current flowing through the choke, it is a 0.88, and voltage across the choke, it is a 67.8. Okay, now 68 it is. when temperature start to increase, see here, at normal temperature it is given the supply. Here with the help of thermometer, here we measure the temperature. See, whenever temperature start to increasing, here current start to decreasing. Now it is a 0.84. It is a 0.84. And voltage across the capacitor choke coil, it is a 68.1. 68.1. Pressure increases, current start to decreases. See, now current flowing through the choke, it is a 0.78. Temperature, it is a 66, and voltage across, it is a 67.9. Final reading, current flowing through the choke coil, it is now 0.76. Voltage, it is a 67.8, and temperature, it is a 78. So in this way, with the help of voltage and current, you calculate the value of resistance and that respective resistance value at temperature. So make the equation as I have told. RT is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha 0 into T. So at different temperature, you can calculate the value of alpha 0 by using the two equation. First one, R30 is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha 0 into 30, and second equation will be as per observation table. Thank you.